think if you're coming into this and listen to head office and those that have gone before you, what you need to do is quite clear. And if you just fearless and do it really well, focus on it quite heavy at the start, I believe you can get good results, yeah, and I think we've seen that.
Best thing I ever did, my first conference. The 3 top guys at the time, I took the 3 of them into the bar after the conference. I bought them beers for 3 hours and I picked their brains. They were the top 3 guys, and I thought, that's the people I need to be speaking to. And I just took as much information from them as I could initially, and then these peer groups we have, you know, to get to a stage where you can get involved with the top 10, you just learn so much.
A big part of it is just doing the absolute basics right. You need no skill whatsoever. It's getting back to customers and things like that, really, because so many people don't do the basics. You get what you put in as well. It's not a ready-made business that's just going to succeed without you putting a lot of effort in, so you do have to put a lot of effort in and you'll get a lot of reward out of it.
I would say to spend more time with the technicians, for them to sort of have trust in me, I should have spent more time with them at the beginning to build up that relationship and build up the understanding of what they need and how they want to work.
I think the golden nugget for me is taking time for yourself. So you can get very caught up in the day-to-day and the noise and the chaos of running a busy business, but you need to take time each day, ideally in the morning, to just think about yourself